You think dropshipping is your golden ticket to financial freedom? Think again. We've been navigating the e-commerce maze for over a decade, and we've seen the same story play out time and time again. Let's get right into it. So what's the primary reason most dropshippers crash and burn? Well, they get caught up in the notorious dropshipping cycle of doom. And if you're not careful, it'll chew you up and spit you out. Picture this. You launch your dropshipping venture armed with high hopes, a shiny new store, and knowledge from courses and mentors. Your store is sleek, your products are trendy, and you're excited and ready to conquer the e-commerce world. At first, things seem promising. You make a few sales, and the thrill of success fuels your motivation. You're on top of the world. But then, the inevitable happens, and the momentum stalls. You encounter challenges, face obstacles, and start experiencing losses. Your ads, once a beacon attracting customers, now seem like duds. A few sales here and there, but nothing consistent. So you pivot. Maybe it's the ads, you think. You tweak them, launch new ones, make new ad creatives, but the results are the same. A spike in sales, then a lull. Frustration mounts. You wonder if it's the products. So, you add new ones and even contemplate switching niches. The cycle continues, a surge in sales, then a drop, over and over. You've seen others succeed, right? Those dropshipping gurus flaunting their success, claiming to buy products from AliExpress for $4 or $5 and selling them for $50 or even more. That's a mind-blowing profit margin, you might think. And you try to emulate them, but it's like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. Instead of staying the course and analyzing your strategy, you fell victim to doubt. You start tweaking everything, changing products, or even abandoning your initial strategy altogether. You believe that the grass is greener on the other side and hop from one idea to another. This, my friend, is the dropshipping cycle of doom. It's a relentless loop of hope, effort, disappointment, and starting over. And the harsh truth? About 90% of dropshipping beginners are trapped in this cycle. Only a mere 10% break free and find success. Just imagine that only 10% of dropshipping beginners survive their first year as an e-commerce entrepreneur. Why? There's an overload of information out there. Too many voices, too many proven strategies. This cacophony leads to doubt, second-guessing, and constant pivoting. From ads to products, from niches to entire store designs, the cycle of change never stops. But here's the kicker. Dropshipping isn't about chasing trends or mimicking others. It's about understanding your audience, carving a niche, and staying the course. Whatever others say, the dropshipping industry is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, strategy, and perseverance. And the secret to success lies in understanding and breaking free from the dropshipping cycle of doom. So how do you break free? How can you escape this vicious cycle and set yourself up for success? 1. Deep market understanding. Know your audience inside out. Understand their needs, desires, and pain points. Build a brand, not just a store. 2. Strategic consistency. Don't pivot at every challenge. Analyze, understand, and refine. But don't abandon ship at the first sign of trouble. 3. Research and adaptation. The market evolves, so should you. But changes should be data-driven, not based on whims or fleeting trends. 4. Resilience. Understand that success isn't instant. It's a grind. Celebrate small victories, learn from setbacks, and keep pushing forward. Remember, dropshipping isn't a magic wand, it's a business. And like any business, it demands strategy, patience, and hard work. But with the right mindset and approach, the rewards are there for the taking. And as a general rule that you need to take from this video, you need to have confidence in your dropshipping strategy and stay consistent. But we will discuss more about the ideal dropshipping strategy for beginners in one of our next videos. If this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. If you've been trapped in the dropshipping cycle of doom, share your story and let's grow, learn, and break free together. And if you want to hear more about our dropshipping strategies, there is a video right now on the screen. Click on it and see you there. Until next time, keep your eyes on the prize and navigate the dropshipping world with wisdom and tenacity. Success is a journey, and every step, even the missteps, counts.